Welcome to Transform Well channel. Today we have an amazing topic to discuss that affects millions of people worldwide: arthritis. In this video, we'll delve into what arthritis is, what causes it, and its occurrence. And most importantly, share 15 natural remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms. So let's get started. First, let's understand what arthritis actually is. In simple terms, arthritis is a condition that causes inflammation and stiffness in the joints, leading to pain and reduced mobility. It can affect people of all ages, but it's more commonly seen in older adults. Now, what causes arthritis? Well, there isn't a single cause, as there are different types of arthritis with various contributing factors. However, a few common factors contribute to its occurrence. Age, genetics, obesity, joint injuries, repetitive movements, and even infections can increase the risk of developing arthritis. The most common types are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is usually a result of wear and tear on the joints over time, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the joints. While we can't completely prevent arthritis, but there are natural remedies that can help manage its symptoms and improve the quality of life for those affected. So, without further ado, here are 15 natural remedies for arthritis. 1. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining joint health and reducing arthritis symptoms. Low-impact exercises such as swimming, walking, and yoga can strengthen muscles, improve flexibility, and reduce pain. 2. Hot and cold therapy. It is a simple yet effective remedy. Applying a warm compress or taking a warm shower can help soothe stiff joints and relieve pain. On the other hand, cold therapy, like using ice packs, can reduce swelling and numb the area, providing temporary relief. 3. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing arthritis symptoms, especially for those with osteoarthritis. Excess weight puts additional stress on joints, leading to more pain and discomfort. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, reducing the strain on your joints. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce the stress on your joints, especially for weight-bearing joints such as the knees and hips. 4. Balanced diet. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide essential nutrients that support joint health and reduce inflammation. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is our next natural remedy. Studies have shown that omega-3s help reduce joint stiffness and inflammation, providing relief for arthritis sufferers. Consider adding fatty fish like salmon, or taking fish oil supplements to your diet, or incorporating foods like walnuts and flax seeds, or taking supplements can help reduce joint inflammation. 6. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Adding turmeric to your diet or taking curcumin supplements may help reduce joint pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. 7. Ginger. Known for its zesty flavor and medicinal properties, ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate arthritis symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can help ease pain and improve joint mobility. Consider incorporating ginger tea or fresh ginger into your daily routine. 8. Epsom salt soaks. Another natural remedy is Epsom salt baths. Soaking in warm water with Epsom salt can provide temporary relief from arthritis pain. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt is believed to reduce inflammation and relax muscles, allowing for greater joint flexibility. 9. Acupuncture. An ancient practice from traditional Chinese medicine has gained popularity as a natural remedy for arthritis. By inserting thin needles into specific points on the body, acupuncture may stimulate the release of endorphins, which can help reduce pain and inflammation. 10. Essential oils. Essential oils such as lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus can provide soothing relief for arthritis symptoms. They can be used topically by diluting them with a carrier oil and massaging them into the affected areas. Alternatively, you can use a diffuser to create a calming and aromatic environment. 11. Massage therapy. The bliss of a good massage. Massage therapy can provide relief for arthritis by reducing muscle tension, improving blood circulation and promoting relaxation. Consider visiting a licensed massage therapist who specializes in arthritis treatment. 12. Herbal supplements. Herbal supplements like boswellia, devil's claw, and stinging nettle have been traditionally used to alleviate arthritis symptoms. 13. Mind-body techniques. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and guided imagery can help manage pain and reduce stress, which may exacerbate arthritis symptoms. 14. Assistive devices. Using assistive devices like braces, splints, or canes can help support joints, reduce strain, and improve mobility. 15. Tart cherry juice. Made from the concentrated form of cherries, has gained attention for its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that regularly consuming tart cherry juice may help reduce arthritis pain and stiffness. However, be sure to choose a pure, unsweetened version to avoid added sugars. And there you have it, 15 natural remedies for arthritis that you can try. Remember, it's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatments or remedies. We hope you found these natural remedies helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content on improving your overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and remember, a healthier, happier life is within reach. Take care and transform well.